we have decided to inflict her with only one sentence, that is sentence of death. She also committed the same crime crime against humanity on the second count, killing 6 persons at Sankarpur of Dhaka, which was committed in contemplation, in furtherance, by virtue of her order, as stated beforehand. And similarly, she committed the same crime, that is the crime against humanity, on another count for causing the killings at Ashulia of Sabha, killing of 6 persons. For all these 3 counts, we have decided to inflict her with only one sentence, that is sentence of death. Please.
আপনাদের বিনীতভাবে অনুরোধ করছি আদালতের ট্রাইব্যুনালের ডেকোরাম মেনটেন করার জন্য। আপনাদের যা উচ্ছ্বাস, যা এক্সপেকটেশন, যা প্রকাশভঙ্গি, সেটা আদালতের ট্রাইব্যুনাল রুমের বাইরে যে করলে সেটা আরো শোভনীয় দেখা যাবে।
Thank you. Please silence.